In this video, I will show you how to insert YouTube video in PowerPoint. The first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint on your device. So go ahead and create a new PowerPoint presentation. Now once you have created this, go ahead and head over into the Insert tab. So you'll find that at the top left of your screen. Under this, go ahead and click on Video. Now under Video, you can basically insert video from your device, stock videos, and online videos. So we'll select online videos since what we want to insert is a YouTube video. Now I'll need to go ahead and open YouTube in a new tab to be able to look for a video to embed or insert into my PowerPoint presentation. So just wait for this to load. On YouTube, go ahead and look for a video to embed to your PowerPoint. So you'll need to go ahead and open that video before you can get the shareable link that you'll need to actually provide into that section on PowerPoint presentation. So just skip this ad and then you can go ahead and hit on that share button below the video, which can be found at the right side of the title. So click on the share button and then copy this link. Now after you copy the link, head back to PowerPoint presentation and paste the link into this section. Now you'll be able to have a free preview of that video. So just simply click on that insert button to insert that video into your presentation. And that's basically how you can insert YouTube video in PowerPoint. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos.